Einar Gate Installation Video Series. End User Guide. Welcome to Einar Gate. In this guide, you'll learn how to join your location, add your license plate, and use the app for smooth, everyday access. Invitation email. As a new user, you'll first receive an email invitation from your building or community admin. The message includes who invited you, the location you're joining, and a link to get started. Install the app. Tap the link in the email or download the Einar Gate app from your app store. You'll use the app to open the gate, add your license plates, and view your activity. Sign in with your invited email. After downloading the app, sign in using the same email address the invitation was sent to. This connects your account to the correct location automatically. Confirm your account. Afterwards, you'll receive a confirmation code by email. Enter the code to activate your account and continue. Accept the invitation. After logging in the app, you'll see the invitation from your admin. You can accept it right away or choose to review it later. Once accepted, you're added to the location and ready to use the system. Add your license plate. To enter automatically, add your own license plate. Go to Add Permission, enter your plate number, select the country, and, if you want, add a label like My Car. Admins can add permissions for you if needed, but in most cases you'll simply add your own. Open the gate. To open the gate manually, tap Open Gate. The live camera feed appears so you can confirm who's at the gate. After you confirm the action, the gate opens instantly. Live camera view. You can check the live view of the gate camera whenever you need, for visitors, deliveries, or simply to see if the entrance is clear. View your events. In the Events tab, you'll see your own entries. Each event shows the gate, the time, whether it was automatic or manual, and a photo captured during the recognition. You'll only see your own events, not those of other users. Notifications. In your profile, you can enable push or email alerts for gate openings or new permissions assigned to you. Choose the notifications you'd like to receive. Leaving a location, you'll lose access to its gates, but your account stays active, allowing you to join another location later. With your access set up, arriving home or entering your community becomes effortless. One camera, one app, total access control,